tried to drive. And I'm not very good at driving since I've only done it twice. But anyway, my dad wanted me to go get some ACs for the house since ours was messed up just around the block at Bobby's grandma's. Well, anyway, long story short, I drove through her garage door. And so, you know, that was an experience. And so that Wednesday night I got home and my dad was already in bed and I just got this new capo, so I was just messing around with it and I was like, I wonder if I wrote a song about me driving through Grandma's garage door. And so tonight I'm going to be singing that song since my dad really wanted me to sing it. He'll just have to watch
Yeah, and I told him he had to sing it.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
My dad asked me to go and run an errand. Just take the truck and pick up some things. Just around the corner at Grandma's. I just had to go and get 2 ACs.
Yes!
But there's one special thing about this story. I had no permit for driving. I had no permit with me. He went ahead and permitted me to go to my grandma's that day. Well, I went down the road very carefully. Turned the signals, checked the mirrors, regulating speed, until I was in Grandma's driveway. And it seemed like I couldn't make a mistake. But when my nerves had finally got settled, I went ahead and pressed the wrong pedal. I drove through Grandma's garage door. Functioning. But I